Welcome to an incredible journey beyond our planet. Today, we're going to embark on an adventure that will take us far beyond the skies we see every day. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? The night sky is like a giant, twinkling map filled with mysteries waiting to be uncovered. It's full of stars, planets, and amazing things. Each star could be a sun to its own set of planets, just like our sun. Imagine all the possibilities. Let's blast off on an adventure to learn about our very own neighborhood in space, the solar system. Our solar system is a fascinating place with so much to explore. We live on planet Earth, but Earth isn't alone. It's part of a family of planets that orbit around the sun. It has 7 planet friends, and they all go around a big star we call the sun. Each planet is unique and has its own story to tell. Are you ready to explore? We'll visit each planet and learn what makes them special. From the scorching surface of Mercury to the icy rings of Saturn, there's so much to discover. Put on your imaginary space helmets and let's zoom through the solar system. Buckle up because this is going to be an adventure you won't forget. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of space. The solar system is like a giant family with the sun at the center. The sun is a star, just like the tiny twinkling ones we see at night, only much closer. 8 planets orbit the sun in a big elliptical path. It's like a racetrack where everyone has their own lane. But that's not all. The solar system is also home to moons, asteroids, comets, and dwarf planets. It's a busy place. The sun is a giant ball of hot gas that gives us light and heat. It's so big that over 1 million Earths could fit inside. The sun is like a giant power plant, and its energy makes life possible on Earth. Without the sun, our planet would be a cold and dark place. Bruh! The 4 planets closest to the sun are called the rocky planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. They are made up mostly of rock and metal. Mercury is the smallest planet and zips around the sun the fastest. Venus is the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. We all know Earth. It's our home and the only planet we know of with life. Mars is called the red planet because of its rusty color. Scientists think Mars may have had water long ago. Section 5. The gas giants, big and full of gas. Farther out in the solar system are the gas giants: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are not like the rocky worlds closer to the sun. Instead, they are massive, mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, and have no solid surface. They are truly the giants of our cosmic neighborhood. These planets are huge and made up mostly of gas. Their immense size and composition make them fascinating subjects of study. Scientists believe that understanding these gas giants can provide insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is so massive that it contains more than twice the material of all the other planets combined. Its Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm larger than Earth, has been raging for centuries. You could fit 1,300 Earths inside it. This immense size gives Jupiter a powerful gravitational pull, influencing the orbits of other objects in the solar system, including asteroids and comets. Saturn has beautiful rings made of ice and rock. These rings are one of the most iconic features in our solar system, consisting of countless small particles that range in size from tiny grains to large boulders. It looks like a giant disco ball. The rings are so reflective that they can be seen from Earth with a small telescope, making Saturn a favorite target for amateur astronomers. Uranus is tilted on its side and spins like a rolling ball. This unique tilt is believed to be the result of a massive collision with another celestial body long ago. Its unusual orientation leads to extreme seasonal variations, with each pole getting around 42 years of continuous sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Neptune is a bright blue color and has the strongest winds in the solar system. These winds can reach speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour, creating dynamic and ever-changing weather patterns. Neptune's deep blue color is due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. Section 6. Space rocks and other wonders. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with wonders that boggle the mind and ignite our curiosity. Today, we are going to explore some of the fascinating objects that share our solar system with the planets we know so well. Besides planets, the solar system is full of other cool things. These include asteroids, comets, and our very own moon. Each of these objects has its own unique characteristics and stories to tell. Let's dive deeper into these celestial wonders. Asteroids are rocky bodies that orbit the sun. They are remnants from the early solar system, leftover building materials that never quite formed into planets. Most of them can be found in the asteroid belt, a region between Mars and Jupiter teeming with these rocky objects. They are like giant space potatoes. Their irregular shapes and sizes make them look like something out of a science fiction movie. Some are small, just a few meters across, while others can be hundreds of kilometers in diameter. Comets are made of ice and dust. These icy wanderers originate from the outer regions of the solar system, specifically the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud. They are like time capsules, preserving the early conditions of our solar system. When they get close to the sun, they heat up and leave a tail of gas and dust. This tail, or coma, can stretch for millions of kilometers, creating a spectacular sight in the night sky. The sun's heat causes the ice to vaporize, releasing gas and dust particles that form the tail. They look like giant, dirty snowballs. The nucleus of a comet is a solid core made up of ice, rock, and dust. As the comet approaches the sun, the heat causes the nucleus to release gas and dust, forming the glowing coma and tail. And let's not forget our moon. The moon has been Earth's constant companion for billions of years, influencing our tides and lighting up our night sky. It's a fascinating world of its own, with a rich history and many mysteries yet to be uncovered. It's Earth's only natural satellite and is covered in craters. These craters were formed by impacts from asteroids and comets over billions of years. The moon's surface tells the story of our solar system's violent past. Some scientists think the moon was formed when a giant object hit Earth billions of years ago. This colossal impact would have ejected a huge amount of debris into space, which eventually coalesced to form the moon. This theory, known as the giant impact hypothesis, is one of the leading explanations for the moon's origin. The relationship between Earth and the moon is a special one. The moon's gravitational pull affects our planet in many ways, from stabilizing our axial tilt to causing the ocean tides. It's a reminder of the interconnectedness of celestial bodies in our solar system. And let's not forget about meteors. When small pieces of asteroids or comets enter Earth's atmosphere, they burn up and create bright streaks of light in the sky, known as shooting stars. These meteors are a beautiful reminder of the dynamic nature of our solar system. Sometimes these meteors survive their fiery journey through the atmosphere and land on Earth. When they do, they are called meteorites. These space rocks provide valuable information about the composition of other celestial bodies and the history of our solar system. Scientists study meteorites to learn more about the early solar system and the processes that led to the formation of planets and other celestial objects. Each meteorite is like a piece of a cosmic puzzle, helping us understand the bigger picture of our place in the universe. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that it's not just planets and stars up there. Our solar system is filled with a variety of fascinating objects, each with its own story to tell. From asteroids and comets to our very own moon, these space rocks and other wonders remind us of the incredible complexity and beauty of the universe we live in. Section 7. Space Quiz. Test your knowledge. Ready to test your space smarts? Answer these questions. 1. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? 2. What planet is famous for its beautiful rings? 3. Which planet is known as the red planet? 4. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Answers. 1. Venus. 2. Saturn. 3. Mars. 4. Jupiter. Section 8. What's your favorite planet? We've learned so much about the solar system. Which planet is your favorite? Is it the giant Jupiter, or maybe the ringed planet Saturn? Or is it our very own planet Earth? Each planet is unique and fascinating. Think about what makes your favorite planet so special. Section 9. Keep exploring. Learning about the solar system is an amazing adventure. There's still so much to discover and explore beyond our planet. So keep looking up at the stars, asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders of space.